Here in front of me I have Bose's brand new Quiet Comfort earbuds. I've been waiting a while to get them. I've finally got them here. I've got them in both colours, and today we're going to open them up, show you how to set them up, and also do some real world testing to find out if they do in fact live up to all the hype. Let's get straight into it. Alright, there's going to be no fooling around. Let's just open them up and test them out. Alright, now the white ones. Now that we've got both of them out of the box, I can give you a brief overview. Now when you look at the cases, they do feel very solid. They're quite weighty, but not too heavy. They've got a matte finish on the outside, and they've got a gloss finish on the inside. Now, one thing I do notice is these cases are a little bit bigger than the Bose Sport Buds cases. Now if you haven't seen that video, I reviewed them last week and the link will be down in the description. There's good reason for this case being slightly bigger, and it's due to the earbuds being slightly bigger. Now they're bigger because they have active noise cancelling and also a transparency mode, so it needs a little bit of extra room to fit those key electronics in. Now let's quickly take a look at how to set them up in the app. The first thing you want to do is download the Bose Music app. Then you're going to want to click this plus down the bottom, click headphones and frames. It's then going to search for your headphones. There they are. Click connect. It's going to get them ready for connection. It'll then give you a pairing request. Click pair. It's then going to pair the earbuds. Now it's activating your product. Success, just like that, they've been set up. Then it's going to give you all these funky and weird names to choose from. I'm going to go with Midnight, sounds cool. Save it. Then it's going to rename the product. You've got a tick. Now it's done. So it's telling me how to check my fit. It's going to give you a little demo of how to put the earbuds in. Find the right size, see how it looks. Then it gives you all these little things on how to use the earbuds. So like wireless charging case, shows you how you can wirelessly charge them, how to answer the touch control, how to answer phone calls with the touch controls, and just how to skip songs and use your voice assistant. Click all set, setup complete, get started. Well, that was actually a lot easier than I was expecting. Well, now that's done, let's get to the real world testing. For that, the first location we're going to go to is a scenic forest to test out if they work for jogging and other sport activities. We want to see if they fall out and if they stay in. Who knows? Let's find out. Let's get to it. Okay, back in the car. Bit hot, I was very exhausted, but I gotta say, these things worked incredibly well. I had them on transparency mode so I could still hear the lovely sounds around me, obviously. And also if I could hear if anyone was sneaking up on me, which I don't think would happen, but still a good safety feature to have. And I've got nothing much more to say about them. I did a bit of a jog and they didn't fall out. They're just really good quality headphones and they work really well. And they sound amazing. They really sound amazing. They're the best sounding in-ear earbuds I've ever heard. So I think there's nothing more to say. If you're wanting to get a pair of these, you definitely should. They'll be extremely worth it and excellent quality. See you at home. Okay, well I've got to say, these have proven to be very practical earbuds. And I do really like the noise cancelling and also the transparency mode. They're very impressive and they're quite practical actually. Now, if you'd like to get either of these for yourself, you could head to our website, which is audiotrends.com.au. We've always got a good price and free shipping Australia-wide. Now, if you've got any questions, you can either leave a comment down below or you can give us a call on 9874 8233. That's going to be all for this video, but if you did like it, make sure you give it a like down below and also subscribe for more content similar to this. That's all for now. I'll see you again very soon.